Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start with a ready Android Studio project and Kotlin enabled. First, add the Material 3 dependency in build. Gradle and sync, this gives you the new components. Next, switch your app theme to a Material Components Day-Night Material 3 variant in styles, XML or values/themes. XML so components render correctly. Once done, make sure to set the Android X activity and material libraries to matching versions. Mismatched versions cause runtime style issues. This gets the essentials in place and prepares you for layout changes. Now you replace legacy widgets with Material 3 equivalents so you get updated motion and shape systems. In Compose, use Material Theme, Color Scheme and Material Theme. Typography, in XML reference, @color primary and the Material 3 theme attributes. Once done, apply shapes via Shape Appearance Overlay or Shape tokens to control rounded corners consistently. If you want dynamic color on supported devices, enable dynamic color in the theme or provide a seed color and generate a color scheme. This ensures consistent finish by testing all screens in light and dark modes, verifying contrast and component spacing. Run the app on API 21+ devices and emulators to confirm backward compatibility. Once done, profile for layout breaks and update the material library if you hit runtime crashes. If styles do not apply, clean rebuild, invalidate caches, and make sure your app uses a single Material 3 theme across activities. Multiple themes or app compat leftovers often cause silent failures. This resolves most common issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.